Hello Galaxy, I'm Chris Perillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. The new iPhone, right around the corner. Apple's scheduled the event. It's going to be happening. And what's coming in the new iPhone? We really don't know because everything's been a rumor to this point, but purportedly, the iPhone is going to be swapping out its Lightning ports for a USB-C port. So it's about time Apple joined the rest of the world with USB-C. Are you excited about that? What would be, I gotta ask, the most exciting addition or change to the iPhone for you that would make it either a compelling upgrade from a previous phone or potentially even switching from Android to Apple? Android's the platform, so Android to iOS. There we go. Switching from Google to Apple, although you wouldn't really have to switch because Google's apps work on Apple's products. Either way, what would it be? What would that one feature be that would be the most compelling? I gotta tell you, for me, using an iPhone on a regular basis, I use it mounted as a camera on Mac OS that I stream into my part of live.perillo.com. So I'm using the iPhone, just not like in the traditional sense that most people would be using the iPhone. So the USB-C port is kind of a non-issue for me because the Lightning port that I'm using is constantly plugged in. I'm not really moving the device around. I can see how it would be very helpful for people who have nothing but USB-C devices beyond their Apple devices. That would certainly be a lot more affordable, fewer cables to worry about or having to manage, so long as most Apple accessories find their way to USB-C. What would be that thing? Would it be a better camera? Would it be a better screen? I can tell you the dynamic island has been fun to use. That would be, I think, in many respects, a good reason to upgrade from an older phone to one of the newer ones. But what's the thing? Is it the USB-C that's the best new feature that you're hoping for in this new iPhone?